Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to approve new users in Omnisend. As you can see here, I have here this guy that I've sent an invitation to join our company right here under Omnisend. Okay, so what we'll do is that we're going to notify this person to accept the invitation. Okay, they just basically open up their email and they will have the invitation letter, just like this one. Okay, so what he'll do is just go ahead and click on Join Omnisend. And then he's going to go ahead and create his own account, okay? If it doesn't got an account yet. And once the person accepted your request, you can now go back to your Omnisend account, okay? Let's say you're under campaigns right here. So what you'll do is just go to the top right and click on your profile or profile icon. Now go ahead over to users, okay? As you can see here, you don't have to do anything as new accounts are confirmed via the email invitation. And if you're referring to a subscriber, well, new subscribers are automatically added to your contact list based on their opt-in method. That's basically it. You don't have to click on anything, but if you want to, you can go ahead and revoke the access right here by just clicking on 3 dots or edit the row. Okay? Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.